Welcome back to the channel Know Yourself. Today I'm here to share with you such a powerful marriage topic that I believe every couple needs it. Whether you are dating, newly wedded, or possibly you are already married, a seasoned one for that matter. Everybody needs it. I'll be drawing on some trusted experts like Dr. John Gottman, Dr. Sue Johnson, among others. And the topic is division of household chores and responsibilities. We are very familiar with two people coming together or couple are together, and there are things that should go on, be done in the family setting. How do we divide these chores in the home? What should be my responsibility? What should be my partner's responsibility? Indeed, a healthy marriage thrives on fairness, respect, and shared responsibility. Couples, if you like, often get stuck not because chores are overwhelming, but because one partner feels unseen or unsupported. According to John Gottman, as I mentioned, whose book, The 7 Principles for Making Marriage Work, that he wrote in 1999, unequal workload is one of the top predictors of marital conflicts, especially among dual career couples. And so I would therefore encourage partners to go through what I'm coming to share with you just to help you handle this crisis at home. 1, talk openly about expectations as couples. And this should include your expectations from childhood, because as we know, family of origin influences how people practice normal household roles. So there's the need for you to discuss growing up what your family of origin looked like and how they handled these household chores. Again, use collaborative decision-making process where both partners list tasks and negotiate based on strength, availability, and preference. And so I'm just encouraging you to negotiate based on your strength and availability. You are not competing. You are together to build home. And so try and negotiate based on your strengths and availability. Again, I'm also encouraging you to adopt a spirit partnership rather than scorekeeping. And by this I mean acknowledge that fairness is not always sameness. And so do that. It will help you. And by this, I am asking you to practice a partnership mindset, not scorekeeping. We are partners in the same space. And so what do I do to help my partner? What do I do to encourage him or her? Let's have that mindset rather than to settle scores. Then again, I'm also trying to encourage you to conduct weekly check-ins to evaluate what is working. So mostly you are from different backgrounds, and your partner is also from different background. You are to sit down weekly, go through review to see what is working for you so far from what your partner has brought and what you've also brought. Working it out is which one is helping you as couple. Now, empathy is crucial, very, very crucial, as Brené Brown emphasizes in the Gifts of Imperfection, a book that she wrote in 2010. She said that empathy nurtures connection and breaks resentment. So the goal is not to ask who is lacking, but how can we support each other better? So you are not there to compete each other. You are there to help build each other and to get the best out of it for the family. And so remember, the issue is not who was what, but do I feel valued? Again, I am encouraging you, in order for you not to have problems with this division of household chores, make sure as couples to approach household duties with empathy, not accusation. Of course, there are certain times you would know that you are so strong in an area than your partner. Why don't you cover him or her up? Let him also have a way of exercising his or her strengths at another time. So let us approach these household duties with empathy, not accusation. In fact, this edition has been rendered by your usual and your regular host, Counsellor P. Kwofie, and I'm only entreating you to subscribe. When you do, share and leave your comments at the comment section so we can serve you better. Thank you.